TRX, we start with the chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was exactly within this one, we mentioned if you want to look for buy, the only way is to put our entry above the top. Anyway, this is the reasons why we wanted to put our entry above the top, and we didn't want to buy from here within this move because this is what we get, right? Anyway, we didn't talk about the sell, but this is where we could sell, at least put our stop entry below this, but after we see this one. Anyway, as I mentioned in my last analysis, I mentioned I'm not really interested to look for sell, and we have been looking for reversal. Anyway, we move to daily chart. We want to see how we can look for chart. At the first stage, we have been looking for this one as expanding flat. That's why we mentioned if this one drops some more, we need to look at the chart differently. And what I'm looking for right now, I'm looking for this one as a three-wave, as a ABC, following by this flat. We want to see whether we can put these two in relative to each other before we get that next reversal, because if we, this is what we're looking for. That's why I mentioned we are looking for buy. All right. How deep this one can go with the breakout of 0.086, we can expect the price drop to 0.079. And if there is a breakout of 0.079, the next level we're looking for is 0.071. But if we're looking at this one as a running flat, we don't want to see the breakout of 0.079. This is the best. All right. Anyway, this is how deep it can go. And as I mentioned right now, we're looking for this one relative to this. First correction, we are looking for the next wave. This is what we are looking for. Can we expect the price drop and retest the previous low and this one turn to bigger correction? Yes. But we are not looking for this down move at this stage. The only thing is, if we want to look for buy, we need to be aware about this possibility. And if we move to forward chart, the only things, if I get any reversal from here, I will take it. We don't see the divergence if we refer to the indicators. But still, if I'm looking for buy, but at this stage, I don't see any trade set up for buy. If I move to 1 hour chart, how about the 1 hour chart? We see we have a divergence based on MACD, and another indicator, we don't see the divergence. We don't see any reversal point. That means still we can expect the price give us a consolidation, drop some more. But how are we going to look for trade? If for me, if I want to look for a sell, I will prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. If this one turn to a deeper correction, may we consider to look for sell. But mostly we're looking for buy. That means we're looking for the reversal as a short move flag. We take the trade. Can we consider this one as a reversal? If there is a continuation following by correction of flag, may we consider. But at this time, we don't see any reversal point. This is what we get, but we need to see the following by correction. Then we put our entry above the top. All right, this is how we can look for buy. At least we'll put our stop loss somewhere below this. And as I mentioned, if we are more interested to look for buy, but we should know where is our stop loss, and we should know our risk and rewards. As I explained, based on daily chart, how about based on daily, and this is the start of the down move. We need to be aware about that. We are not going to look for buy without the targets and without the stop loss. Anyway, we're looking for the reversal, and we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.